Welcome to the silence. Somewhere in the vast industrial heartlands of the East, there are buildings that don't breathe. Behind these nameless walls, the lights are dimmed, the air is sterilized, and there isn't a single human pulse to be found. This is the Ghost Factory, a 24-hour industrial fortress where the assembly line has been replaced by the algorithm. For decades, the world saw this land as the source of cheap manual labor. But today, that era is dead. What you are looking at is not a factory. It is a massive, self-replicating digital organism. It is a world where machines build machines, governed by a logic that is no longer human. Watch the Iron Soldiers in action. 700 robotic units, moving in total, chilling synchronization. In the traditional world, building a complex machine like an electric vehicle takes hours of intense human coordination. Here, it is measured in seconds. Every 76 seconds, a masterpiece is born. That is 40 units every hour, 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. No fatigue, no unions, no mistakes. The precision is terrifying down to 0.1 millimeters. At this scale, the machine has finally learned to birth itself, creating the next generation of reality with a speed that defies human comprehension. But the real magic happens in the data. Look at the scanners. Tens of thousands of high-definition cameras and laser sensors act as the factory's nervous system. They scan every weld, every bolt, and every seam for flaws invisible to the human eye. If a single hair was out of place, the system would know before the next second passed. Behind the scenes, a central Hive Mind processes billions of data points in real time. It predicts mechanical failures before they happen and adjusts the entire supply chain with a single digital whisper. While the West debates the ethics of artificial intelligence, this ghost has already taken control of the means of production. It doesn't sleep, and it doesn't fail. This is Made in China 2. It is the end of the era where humans compete with with machines for labor. In these corridors, you no longer see workers. You only see AGVs, automated guided vehicles gliding silently across the floor. Carrying tons of raw material like blood cells moving through an artery. This level of automation isn't just about speed, it's about absolute dominance. By removing the biological bottleneck of human labor, these factories have unlocked a level of economic power that was once considered pure science fiction. The rules of the global market are no longer being written in boardrooms. They are being rewritten in a silent room by a machine that never tires. As the sun sets outside these windowless walls, the factory doesn't slow down. It doesn't wonder what the future holds, because it is the future. We are witnessing the foundations of a new civilization. Where the human hand is no longer needed to build the world. The Ghost Factory is a warning. And a promise. So, here is the question for you. Are we building a paradise of ultimate convenience? Or are we engineering our own obsolescence? Let us know in the comments. This is Project Plus 86. Subscribe to decode the blueprints of the future. We will see you.